Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful bridal look on my friend Camille. It's not always about completely transforming your texture. Today I'm going to work with her natural texture to show you something that's really simple and easy. To begin, I'm going to start in the back and I'm going to comb out each section of Camille's hair using my wide tooth tail comb. My styling product today is actually a heat protector. What this will do is when I'm applying heat, it will protect Camille's hair and also allow for me to stretch her hair ever so slightly. Each section that I'm taking, I'm going to stretch depending on the needs of that section. So you can see with Camille's hair, her curl is a little coilier in the crown and it's looser on the edges. So when I take my horizontal section, apply my heat protector, when I go in with the Dyson attachment, I can stretch sort of that middle section so that it looks the same as it does on the sides. What this will do, each section stacking on top of, she's gonna have a beautiful rounded shape in her hairstyle. Why I've chosen this approach is it actually is nice and quick and easy. Sometimes when you're working from super wet hair, it takes a really long time to dry it. Whereas Camille already came in with her hair looking pretty good. I just have to kind of go through and even everything out. Because she has such high density hair, I love using the wide tooth tail comb in order to get in and create nice clean sections. There's also no pulling, so Camille is comfortable the whole time that I'm creating this hairstyle. The last few sections at the top, I want to make sure that I use even more control and take even more time. So my sections are a little bit smaller up here. And once again, please make sure to use a heat protector. The last thing you want to do is destroy your hair. I love the comb attachment because it allows me to get in nice and close at the root. Now you can see what Camille's hair looks like after I've done this blowout hairstyle. Styling the side, I'm going to use a little bit more water and the small teeth of my comb just to go through and make sure the edge is nice and clean. I'm going to use my flat iron to flatten the edges just a little bit more. You can see I only kind of go 3/4 of the way and then I leave the rest. And that's so when I flatten the side, everything will blend. Now I'm using some edge cream with my edge brush. You can be quite heavy-handed with your product application. What this will do is it's going to sink into the hair and then you're going to end up with a beautiful shiny finish. I'm going to use my aluminum hair clip to hold the hair in place while I grab my beautiful pearl hair accessories and I kind of mix and match, also holding the hair from either direction. What this will do is it'll really lock that hairstyle into place. I only like to work right up to the ear so that Camille's features really become the focal point. My last step is to use my sponge brush and to go through and to create a beautiful soft edge on Camille's hair. The final touch is using a little bit of spray shine, and now Camille has an elegant bridal look using her natural texture.